Hey, once again, I would like to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying the videos that we share. Last time, I shared a video about data handling applications and communication applications. I hope it was clear enough for you to understand. So today I'm going to share about measurement applications. So basically, when we talk about the measurement applications, we are describing how we can use ICT ways or different applications, different ways to try and keep a constant measure, to try and keep a record of what is happening in our day-to-day lives. Measurement applications, one for one, use sensors and other hardware to try and keep track of the different aspects of the environment. The applications involve sensors that are used as input devices to constantly take the data. And because the data that sensors pick up is in analog form, what do we mean that is analog form? It is in analog form therefore it keeps varying up and down. It is not stable, so we have to convert it from analog to digital form. We all understand that computers basically understand the digital language, which is the binary language. It has 2 bits, the ones and zeros. Yes, we humans, we understand this language, but computers do not understand the language that we use, the normal English, the normal French, the normal Spanish have to speak. Computers have to first change each letter, each item to binary form, to digital form, so that can be able to interpret it and understand it, thus performing the task that is asked of the computer. Now, as soon as the sensors have sent the information into the fed the information into the computer, the information is stored into memory, into the microprocessor of the computer system. That way, it is able to perform the different tasks that it is supposed to perform. Now, some examples of measurement applications we have are weather stations, scientific experiments, measuring a patient's signs, pollution monitoring, and burglar proofing. Now, weather stations, how are they used? If you look at weather station, basically measurement applications are used to set up automatically to gather data from the environment. They are usually unmanned. You set up a measurement application and the system will continue running without any person monitoring it. And the upside is that data can be collected 24 hours, 7 days a week, non-stop, without any interruption, because it is automatic. Another way that measurement applications are used is to measure a patient's vital signs. You have seen hospitals where different people have different machines attached to their bodies, and there's a system, there's a monitor that keeps showing graphs and some figures. Basically, it is used to measure the heart rate, the blood flow, oxygen level in the blood, blood pressure. Basically, standard procedures that are used in the standard body vitals, like I mentioned earlier, blood pressure, heartbeats, and the rest. Here I try to describe the different ways that you can go through to make sure that the measurement application is working perfectly fine. You can see the different steps listed there. Then we have measuring pollution in a river. Basically, we usually use measurements. It is basically used to measure pollution in a water body or a river or a swamp. How is it used? Now, usually they get 2 sensors, put them at a certain point of a water body or a river or a swamp, and we all know that water has a standard pH of 7. That is, it is neither alkaline, it is neither acidic. That simply means that in case the sensors detect any change in the alkalinity or acidity of the water, then the alarms are set off to show that there is water pollution at a given point T. Now, in case you want to find out, or they would like to find out where the pollution started from, they put two sensors at two different parts of the river or the water body, and where the acidity or alkalinity changes, then they starts to change, then they know it is where there is a problem, it is where pollution starts from. Now, why would you go for human? Why would you go for computerized measurement rather than human? One, computers are more reliable. Computers are more accurate. Computers are more frequent, and of course, computers work for more hours than human beings. And it's always safe to use computers to work in unsafe environments. Today I'll be brief, and I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For any queries, please feel free to put them in the question below in the comment section. Invite your friends to subscribe too.